Climate change is affecting the EU's water resources. Water shortages and droughts are becoming more and more frequent. Water scarcity affects at least 11% of the European population and 17% of EU territory. The EU wants to ensure that its water sources are protected for the future by reusing water as much as possible.
Noi possiamo riutilizzare fino a 6,6 miliardi di metri cubi di acqua. Teniamo presente che oggi ne utilizziamo solo 1,1 miliardi di metri cubi, quindi abbiamo un potenziale enorme davanti a noi se impariamo a farne un uso efficiente della risorsa idrica.
It's all part of the circular economy. Reduce, reuse and recycle. And it's just the same with water. Parliament is backing plans to reclaim urban wastewater for irrigation in farming. MEPs want to promote the use of treated water to irrigate both food and non-food crops.
L'acqua può essere riutilizzata in principal modo per l'uso agricolo, ma anche per usi civili.
EU countries should also be able to reuse water for industrial or environmental purposes, as long as it doesn't harm people or the environment.